This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Mark Gibson. Well-maintained single-wide mobile home with permanent brick foundation. This home is in incredible condition. The metal roof and HVAC were installed within the last 5 years. Carpet was replaced about 18 months ago and is in excellent condition. The home sits on approximately 2 cleared acres with an additional 2.5 acres of woods in the back along with a creek. There is also a 12 by 24 deck, outbuilding, and a 2-car metal carport with concrete pad and drive. This one will not last long at this price. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Gibson at 704-607-3000.